Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can motion track your videos in CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to go back to video here and you're going to select camera tracking. You can use face, body, hand, or custom here. I'll just do body and you're just going to basically start. That's pretty much it really. If you want to do it manually, you can, but it takes a long time to do. So here I'm just camera tracking it, and you can also like enable the scale so it does like track the whole movement. It's just taking a little bit longer, but you can do it manually by like zooming in the video. I'll show you in a minute, but I'm not going to show you like the whole process well, I will show you the whole process, but I'm not going to do it for the video. Okay. Here you can enable fit to canvas, or what the heck is that? And then here I'll show you if you do it manually. So go to video, go to basic, and you'll need to zoom in a little bit. Then you're going to add in like a text and just type in like O or something, or like a dot. And you're going to lock it. You're going to lock it in place like here. Then in your video, just add in a keyframe. And then, for instance, you want the head to be there all the time. You're just going to move it with the keyframe and place it in the O. Like that. That's pretty much it. Then you're just going to want to remove it, obviously. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.